Welcome to the Supreme Court Podcast.
When is a loan interest rate considered excessive? This was discussed by the Supreme Court in the case of Manila Credit Corporation versus Viroomal, GR number 258526. In this case, spouses Ramon and Anita Viroomal obtained a loan from the Manila Credit Corporation for 467,000 pesos, payable in 60 months at an interest rate of 23.36% per year. An additional 0.1% for every day the loan remains unpaid, plus a penalty of 1.5% per month and a collection fee of 100 pesos were also imposed. On top of this, Manila Credit imposed an additional 3% monthly interest, referred to as the effective interest rate for every delay. All of these are compounded monthly as part of the outstanding balance. When the spouses failed to make timely payments, Manila Credit demanded full payment of the outstanding balance of over 500,000 pesos. The spouses, however, claimed they had already paid the total amount of over 1 million pesos. They asked for a recomputation, but Manila Credit ignored them. The spouses filed a complaint with the regional trial court to nullify the interest rate for being excessive, unconscionable, and immoral. They claimed that their principal obligation was already fully paid, were it not for the effective interest rate. The regional trial court ruled in the spouses' favor and voided the interest rate for being grossly excessive. The Court of Appeals affirmed the RTC. The Supreme Court ruled the same, finding the interest rate imposed by Manila Credit unreasonable. While parties to loan agreements can deviate from the prevailing legal interest rate, deviations must be reasonable and fair. In this case, the rate of 3% per month or 36% per year is 3 times more than the prevailing legal interest rate at the time of 12% and thus excessive and unconscionable. The court likewise found excessive the agreed interest rate of 23.36% per year and additional interest and penalty, which, when compounded monthly, is 42% per year. All of these exponentially bloated the principal loan amount of 467,000 pesos. As unconscionable interest rates are contrary to morals, they are void from the beginning and deemed not written in the contract. The court thus reduced the interest rate to the prevailing legal interest at the time of 12%. Applying the reduced rate, not only have the spouses already fully paid their loan obligation, they also overpaid Manila Credit in the total amount of over 600,000 pesos. They are thus entitled to recover this amount from Manila Credit with legal interest of 6% per year, the prevailing legal interest effective July 1, 2013. To read the full text of this case, visit the Supreme Court website and search for Manila Credit Corporation versus Viroomal, GR number 258526.